This is question number 43, and we are told the following properties are properties of a certain quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure, four sides. Diagonals intersect at right angles. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. All angles are right angles. Diagonals are equal. What is the name of the quadrilateral? So because we have been given these properties, we can use the elimination method. You know what is a trapezium. A trapezium is a four-sided figure with a pair of parallel lines, with two lines are parallel. So we can use the elimination method to do that. So we can have a diagram of a trapezium. This is a trapezium. And we can check diagonals intersect at right angles. So if we draw the diagonals like that, let's just put. You can see they don't make an angle of 90. We can see that. So the opposite sides are equal. You can see the sides are not equal. So we can eliminate that is not a trapezium. The other one is a square. We can have a square and see, or you can draw a square and see if it meets the this condition. So this one we can draw. Let's start with the diagonals. So that is one diagonal, and this is another diagonal. So we check the properties. Diagonals intersect at right angles. Yes, that's correct. So we have the square meets that condition. Opposite sides are equal. Yes, opposite sides of a square are equal. All angles are right angles. Correct. The angles, these are the angles. The angles of a square are right angles. Diagonals are equal. Yes, diagonals are equal. So we can say the square meets all the conditions. But to confirm, we can check with the other, a parallelogram. So here we have a parallelogram, and we can start by drawing the diagonals. So we can draw the diagonals like that. These are the diagonals. Not like that. Let's correct that. So we start with this one. Like that. Already we can see that the diagonals do not make a right angle. So you can just say that does not satisfy. We can look at the robust. Maybe we get a robust. This is a robust. We can start with the first condition. Diagonals intersect at right angles. We can draw the diagonals and see whether the robust satisfy that. They don't seem like they are 90, but we can confirm with the other condition. Opposite sides are equal. That's correct. All angles are right angles. The angles of robust are not 90. So this angle is not 90. This angle is not 90. So it doesn't satisfy that condition. So this means that B is the correct answer. And that is how you answer that. So you are being tested whether you know what's a trapezium, what is a square, what's a parallelogram, and what's a robust. Then you can be able to identify that figure correctly. So that's how you answer that question.